What's up everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Joakim heter jag, and today I got some mail. I got my very first MIDI controller, dedicated MIDI controller from Native Instruments. As you can see, as usual, a lot of bucks for a lot of nothing. So in the box we have one MIDI controller, one USB cable, and one of those bags that we shouldn't eat but throw away. As you can see, it has 32 keys, it has a bunch of knobs and buttons and 2 sliders. It's very small. It should fit in a backpack according to the ad. Not quite. So it doesn't really seem like you could bring this with you on a flight in your hand luggage. Unfortunately, I really wanted that. The device itself is very well made. Like, it's plastic, right? But it's not plasticky. Nothing creaks. It just feels very solid. And also these knobs. They have a good amount of resistance. I do like some resistance when turning a knob, so I'm very happy. I get a happy feeling inside. Also, the keys are very well made, like plastic keys, your regular plastic keys, but the spring action here is very nice. You won't necessarily accidentally push a key because you have some kind of resistance here. Some keyboards are just very cheap. They have a cheap feeling, and the keys just, you could like blow on the keys and they, you know what I mean. It feels nice to play. We also have a few touch controls here, touch sliders. I know that from my Roland DO5, which is a very nice device. So I have those there. So this feels kind of familiar to me. Then we have these buttons that do stuff. Here, play button, record, stop. Hopefully this will work with Sonar, which is the DAW I'm using. You get a few software. If you buy this, you get Ableton Live Lite, which I'm not gonna use. Maybe I should give it a try, but I'm all in. I have a lifetime license for Sonar, so I'm not likely to switch. Then we have like plug-in buttons, track, browser, ARP, scale, shift, undo, quantize, ideas, presets. I guess you will control Native Instruments plugins with all of this. So we will see what all these buttons do, and then we will see, we will try some other plugins as well and see what we can do with this. Alright, so with this keyboard we get a set of instruments, and here we have the Scarby Mark I, which is an E-piano Rhodes type of instrument that we will test out now. Sounds very nice, but it's very sensitive for some reason. But it's something that you get used to, I guess. Maybe you can set that up somewhere. I have no idea. This is my first impression of this. Oof. Here you have the octave buttons. over here. You can see it in the picture. Wait, you saw it. It's very sensitive. It's very sensitive. I don't know if I like that, but... Let's try the knobs. We have a knob here. What does it do? Nothing, 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 nothing. So that concludes this video. This is my first MIDI controller, and it will be very nice for me to sit at my desk and do some producing and composing without having to turn to my keyboards all the time. They all have MIDI, so I can control all of them from my desk now, which will be very nice when I'm just trying stuff out and recording, and I don't need to, you know, move around as much. So that will be very nice. So, and I'm really happy with the build quality here. I bought this with my own money. I'm not here to say anything nice, but so far I really like this. And now, to end this video, you can listen to me jamming a little bit. Yeah, and we will see each other in the next video. If this was useful for you, please leave a like. And if it wasn't useful for you, leave a dislike or get out of here. Take care. Bye.